between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. baby. See, I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together.
A landlord, Lucian, Alcatraz and Solar send this to the world.
Say this word.
Make them know the war is ugly and love is lovely.
Big love.
Send it.
We need peace. We need love. Oh yes. We need peace. We need love. Oh yes.
Send it.
How can we say we love God when we don't love ourselves?
No.
How can we bring peace to this nation when we keep on fighting among ourselves? We need to change our thinking, and come to our senses, so yeah, in order to change this world, we got to start within ourselves. We need peace. We need we need love. We need love. Oh yes. We need peace. We need we need love. Oh yes. Sons of God, some call themselves, but they don't want to mix up with no one else. Oh boy, so caught up in the religious beliefs, until their true love they start to cease. Oh gosh. Our Muslim brothers pray 6 times a day, yeah. Rastaman and Christian show love in many ways.
And if we see someone who needs help, we turn our face. We need to show love and stop the hate.
We need peace. We need love. Oh yes. We need peace. We need love. Yes. We need love. True love. Oh yes.
Me ask them what is going on. Tell me what is going on. Can't take the vibes of Batman and police perform. Tell me what is going on. Tell me what is going on. Them a use religion just victorious. Things used to nice. Too jealousy, bad mind, mankind. Get up and a build peace strive. Fight against another just for a dollar. And forget fi help out them falling brother. Inna the Middle East, war it no cease. Every day them get up fighting like a Lego beast. Them sell up but it no reach. No practice what them preach. Division and religion every day a compete. So me ask them what is going on. Tell me what is going on. Can't take the vibes of Batman and police perform. Tell me what is going on. Tell me what is going on. Them a use religion just to tear us apart.
Whoa.